Hey guys, it's me, Scratch House, and oh today we will be doing Online Adventure Game Part 3. So let's just save this as a copy. Something's wrong. Oh, there we go. Key 3. So let me just do this stuff. Let me just do the windows side by side. Sorry if it's kind of like different. One sec. Okay, so as you can see, I have a player on my screen, right? But if we move to a different level, it still shows them, even though this one that I'm moving right now is still on level 1. Its level is still 1. It's supposed to be on screen 1. Look, and now it goes like this. So we're going to fix that. Okay, so in the online player sprite, you need to go all the way down to the very bottom. So let's go to player sprite. So in the cloud data custom block, under the add round timer times 10 to encode, let's add our level. That way we know which level we're on. Add level to encode. Now let's go back to online player sprite. So here, so let's make a new variable called level for this sprite only. That's important. Set level to value. So set level to value, and you put that right before the repeat until value is equal to blank, and then add a decode encoded. So at the bottom, if the level that we're supposed to be on is equal to the level in the game, then we show, else we hide. So now that should fix it. So I'm going to reload the right hand side. It takes a while to load. So now I'm going to move the right hand side here. Yeah, you can see it. Then once we go here, they're hidden. So now we can be able to just move side by side. So now if I show you this is the right hand side right now. So I can show you that the left hand side is working smoothly. And now we're back to the left hand side. So as you can see, that works now. Now let's move on to the items. So now we have multiple items, right? So if you want to make it all-out adventure game, P3. So here we're going to do it so that there's basic stuff like keys and doors. I love this purple color. Key. Now we have this key. Oh, it's loading. Okay, there we go. So now we have the key. The key's way too big. Okay, there we go. So now we have key. But also, in the next episode, what we'll be doing is that there's buttons. Basically, the buttons will only work if 2 people are on it. Like if 2 online people are on it. So I'm gonna make it right now. Okay, so button off, and then button on. So then I'm just going to shrink. Only I'm not gonna hold Alt, I'm just gonna press down like this. So that shows that's pushed. But for now, we're just gonna have these keys. So let's place this. Oh, whoops. Wait, let me just hide the loading screen. Okay, here we go. Oh. Go to X00 and the level sprite. There you go. So now I want to place a key right. I want to place the key over here. So we create key 1. So let's edit the create item, and we're gonna add a new label called pair, and then pair. So now we'll go. So if the apple doesn't have a pair, so go put 0. And now key 1's pair will be 1. So I want to place it at -100, and then y of -125, and level 0.2. Yep, that should be right. So now that we have this, so let's set our let's make a new variable called pair. Set pair. So in the create item custom block, we will set pair to pair, and then we create clone myself. So when I start as a clone, the pencil touchy player. Add costume name. So now let's add an if else in the add thing into inventory. If our costume name contains key, so it's any type of key, then we add, let's grab a join costume name and pair, costume name space pair. So 2 joins, join costume name, join space, join pair to inventory, else we just add our costume. So that instead of adding apple 0, it'll just add apple, and instead of adding just key, it'll add key 1. And then it'll do the ghost effect stuff. So now we have that. Now let's make doors. So let's make a door. It's just gonna be like this wide and this tall. There we go. So I'm going to hide these variables. Okay. So now that we have this door, so let's go to the item sprite. So we'll go drag the create item to door in the doors. When green flag clicked, then when I start as a clone, both of them, and we don't need the inventory to be shower, so yeah. Now we have all these. So we don't need to edit the create item, but we could set the door. Let's create door at 35, and 140. Level 02, pair 1. Yep. So it starts with level is equal to level. Yep. Now we just need to edit this second when I start to clone half block. So we don't need this animation stuff, but we do need a wait until touching player. And now, if inventory contains join key space and then pair. So if inventory contains join key with and then space after that and then pair. So then we repeat 10. Oh yeah, we don't want to delete this clone. So forever wait until touchy player. repeat 10. We don't need to add stuff to inventory. Repeat 10, move negative 10 steps. Wait 1 second. And then repeat 10, move 10 steps. And then at the end, we add a wait until not touching player. At the end of the forever loop. So then else, you could just play a sound or something. But for now, just go keep it like this. But now we need to do so that the player actually gets hit by the door. So in the player sprite, let's go to the moving steps custom block. So instead if touching color, we're gonna add an or. If touching color blue, or we're touching doors, then we move backwards. And now if we try this, it should work. Yep. Now we cannot go past doors unless we have the key. So let me try it. Oh wait, I need to do this again. Loaded. Now I can grab this apple. I go here. Oh no, it's an apple. Did I say key 1? Oh, we just need key. Oh, you don't put key away, you just put key. Oh, now I have to wait again. Loaded. So now I can grab this apple, go up here, grab this key. Yep. Oh no, now I'm stuck. Probably shouldn't put the door that close. Or maybe I should edit the level so that's deeper down. And then instead of this high, we can set it to 100. So here I just edit the Y position to 100. That should edit. I mean, that should fix it. Okay, grab the apple, grab the key, open the door, and now if we go down here, yep, I'm not stuck. I can still open the door. Yep, it's working. Anyways, thanks for watching. In the next episode, we will work on buttons, so like and subscribe to hit that notifications bell so you never miss a tutorial. Have a wonderful day.